Okay, now this is the form of a parabola in the factored form. So let's write another one in which my parabola is in a vertex form. So this can be written as 7 times x minus 3 whole square plus is y is equal to 7x square plus 3x plus 9. In this you have different variables. You have a, b, c, and you can figure out the discriminant, and you can figure out is it opening up or opening down. This is just the standard form of a parabola. Okay, so I'll start with question number 1. So what's going on here is a person kicked a football. Now from the ground, it's very important, the ground, you kick the ball goes up, and finally the ball comes down. This is how the ball is kicked. So the path that is being followed by the ball is a parabola. So at t equal to 0, the height is 0, and then after some time t, once again the height will become equal to 0. And in between there is this middle time when you will. So the question is, at what time will it reach the ground, back on the ground? Do you have any strategy for this? How can we do this?
So for this one, I two values, which was 0 and 6.
0 and 6. Very good. Yeah. That means at 6 seconds, once again the football would be on the ground. 0. I really appreciate that you did all this hard work and you got two roots of the quadratic equation, 0 and 6. But perhaps there was an easy way to do this. We are trying to figure out those values of time when the height of the ball would be equal to 0. Why don't we simply plug in h equal to 0? We want height to be 0, so let's plug in h equal to 0. Now let's try to solve this equation. If I take this negative 4t square on the other hand side, it will become 4t square is equal to 24t.
Okay.
From here, so you want me to elaborate a bit?
So wait, sorry, just what did we divide both sides again by? So I know we divided them by t, and then we also divided both sides by 4.
Yeah. Right? So this is okay. This was 4 times t, which is equal to 4 times 6 times t. So one of the 4's will get cancelled. Divide both sides by 4. Then one of the t's will get cancelled. Divide both sides with t. We're simply left with t equal to 6.
Oh, okay.
So that means the football will reach the ground at t equal to 6 seconds. Okay.
Is it so in this case here? Is it also does this formula apply to finding the vertex of a parabola? It's in this case it'd be h equals negative b divided by 2a, right?
Right. You can also do like that.
Oh.
So which question do you want me to go over now after this?
Preferably one where we need to convert it to a certain form.
Okay, I think it's question number 2 is also about converting, and question number 3 is also about converting. So now, A part says, now this equation is given to me in the standard form. Now, into x minus h whole square plus k. All right.
So if, for example, it was negative 2x squared, this would look like, so in the bracket it'd be x squared minus 2x, right?
Right.
Everything makes sense except sorry, I missed the part. How did we add the plus 8 one more time?
Okay, so this negative half, when multiplied with these 3 terms, it gives me negative half into x minus 4 whole square. When negative half got multiplied with negative 16, it gave me positive 8.
Okay, there we go, I see.
All right, and the graph is opening down. We know the graph, we know the parabola is opening down, we know the vertex.
Sorry, how do we know that it's opening down?
Oh,
Oh, by the negative one?
yeah. So this A, right? This A will tell you if it's opening up or opening down. If A value is positive, it's opening up. If A value is negative, it's opening down. It is plus 2AB, not minus 2AB. So,
Negative 32?
yeah. Okay.
Uh, 1/2 times negative 16. Wouldn't that be negative 8?
Yeah, -8 and then -24. I clubbed them together.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see. Okay, there we go. And so once we have this vertex form, we can tell that the parabola is going to be opening up because it's positive, and that the vertex is going to be -4 comma -34.
Wow, very good. -4 comma -32. That is going to
Oh,
be
2, yeah.
my vertex, and then the parabola is going to be opening up, and we basically know everything about this parabola.